Welcome to Tiedex TV, where we bring you the latest innovations in outdoor living and home enhancement. Today, we introduce a masterpiece of design and functionality, the Triumph Garden Room Greenhouse. Imagine stepping into your backyard and entering a sanctuary, a space designed for you. The Triumph is more than just a greenhouse, it is a versatile extension of your home. Whether you love gardening, need a peaceful retreat, or want a beautiful space to entertain guests, this structure blends nature with modern living seamlessly. With a robust T-shaped structure, the Triumph provides generous space for various uses. Whether it's a dining area, a cozy lounge, or a plant lover's paradise, this garden room adapts to your lifestyle. High side walls and vaulted ceilings create an open and airy atmosphere, giving you over 2.8 meters, 9 feet, of headroom, a space designed for comfort and relaxation. Picture yourself enjoying morning coffee bathed in sunlight, sharing a meal with friends and family, or simply unwinding after a long day. The Triumph transforms your outdoor space into a true retreat, merging nature and modern living effortlessly. Comfort and convenience are at the core of the Triumph's design. Equipped with two large, automated roof vents, it ensures a steady flow of fresh air without any need for manual adjustments or electricity. Double swinging doors, which can be positioned at the front or side, offer easy access while enhancing the flexibility of the space. The acrylic glass-look wall panels allow for over 90% light transmission, keeping the interior bright while reducing outside noise. This is more than a structure, it's a peaceful getaway, designed to elevate your outdoor experience. Built to withstand the elements, the Triumph features 10mm multi-wall roof panels that protect against harsh sunlight and extend your growing season into cooler months. With a wind resistance of up to 120 km/h and a snow load capacity of 80 kg per square meter, this greenhouse ensures durability and peace of mind year-round. The aluminum frame, finished in sleek black, is reinforced with internal supports and sits on a galvanized steel base, making it a lasting investment. A built-in gutter system allows for rainwater collection, an environmentally friendly feature for sustainable irrigation. With minimal maintenance required, the Triumph Garden Room Greenhouse lets you focus on what matters most, relaxing, enjoying, and celebrating every moment in your personal outdoor haven. Whether you dream of a serene retreat, a vibrant greenhouse, or an elegant entertainment space, the Triumph is the ultimate outdoor upgrade. Subscribe to Tiedex TV for more incredible innovations in outdoor living.